Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In previous video, I have shown you how to design this one, that is leaved students, and how to backend code for this. So if you have not watched my previous video, then just go to description. There I put the link for my previous video, or you can simply do one thing, just click on the suggestion on the right side of your screen. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to design this one, that is new employee, how to actually design that and how to backend code for that. So let's start with that without wasting any time. So let me just close this application for now. Okay, after this, first thing what we have to do is we have to actually add one form inside this one. So for that, go to Solution Explorer, right click on the project name, click on add, and click on this form. After this, what you have to do is we have to just name this form something. So I'm going to name this one new employee, and just click on add, and it will add a new form to our project. After this, as you all know, what I'm going to do the next is nothing but removing the form border. So search for form border style. Here we go. Select this one and change to none. And after this, we have to change the background color for this one. So I'm going to change the background color. So color code is 151,48,103. So just right click on this, go to properties and search for back color, and you can manually write it 151,48,103. and hit enter. After this, what we have to do is we have to set the form size. So I'm going to copy the size from the complete project. This is our complete project, and from here we are going to actually design the same GUI. Here you can see this new employee registration, and let me copy the size of this one, 875,512. So move back over here, right click and go to properties and search for size. There we go. Paste, hit enter. 875,512. And after this, what I have to do is I have to actually start adding labels. So first thing, I'm going to add one label over here. Just drag and drop it. And next thing what we have to do is we have to actually change the text for this one. First thing what I'm going to do is changing the text, not this one. Never change this name for the labels. Change only if required. Okay, so I'm going to change the text. So I'm going to change this one to new employee registration. Hit enter. After this, what we have to do is we have to make this one look similar like this. So what I have to do is I have to just set the back color 255,192. So move back over here, just click on this and let me set the size back color. Okay, hit enter. After this, I have to set the font size and font as well. So for that, click on this and move back over here in the font, search for font. So clicked on this one. Okay, so the font name is ALGERIAN, Algerian, like or regular, and size is 22. So I'm going to do that. Just click on this, select the font, just click on this small three dots, Algerian, regular, and size is 22. Hit OK, and here we go. This one is looking better, and we have to just put this on the center of this screen. And after this, what we have to do is we have to add one more button inside this one. So we have to actually add a close button. So what I'm going to do is I've shown you this how to add this close button several times. So I'm going to copy this one at this time and paste it over here. I'm not going to actually design this one again and again. Okay, like this. Okay, and what I have to do is I have to actually change the design name to PTN exit. Here this name for this one is already changed, so just double click on this and this will generate a PTN exit click event. And what I have to do is when I click on that, I have to just close this form. So this dot close, like this one. Okay, now save this and move back over here. And first thing, before adding all of this stuff, I want to actually add this one with the dashboard. Okay, so we don't need these now. So let me close this, and we need to actually move back to the dashboard and we have to code on this one. So first we have to connect that new employee with this button. So let me change that button name for now. So right click and go to properties, and there we will find the name. Just click on this and change this one to PTN new employee. Just double click on this and this will generate a click event, and here we have to just register new employee NE or de is equal to new employee, like this. And after this we have to just call ne.show, like this. Now let's check if this works or not. So I'm going to start this. Now it started. And sign in, and after this let me just click on this, and here you can see this. Now this one is popped up, and next thing what we have to do is we have to set where to actually start position. We have to change the start position for this one, and this close button is actually working. Okay, so let me close this and move back over here, and for the start position we have to set the location for the start position on the form load. So just double click on this, and here we have to just add the start location, start position. So this dot location is equal to new point and 350 comma 170, like this. Now the location is set. Now start this, and let's check if this works or not. So started this one, just going to sign in, new employee, and here you can see that this one location start position is changed. If you want this one or little bit right side, so you have to change the first one, and if you want little bit on the bottom side, so you have to change the second one, that is 170. If you change this one, the form will move little bit lower, and when you change this one, it will move little bit right side or left side. If you decrease this, it will move left side, and if you increase this, it will move right side. In the same way this works. Okay, so now we are ready with the designing part. Okay, so next thing what we have to do is we have to start adding the labels and text boxes. So I'm going to start this one. So first thing what we have to do is we have to add one label over here. So just drag and drop one label, just add one label, just click on this, and first thing let's change the font color, change this one to white, click on custom, change this one to white. And after this I'm going to change the text for the first one, that is nothing but mobile number. Hit enter. After this what we have to do is we have to actually just set the size for this one. So move back over here, just click on this and click on this one, Century Gothic, and size is 11. So move back over here, click on this, select this font, just click on this one, regular, and size is 12. Hit OK. Now here you can see this one is added. After this what we have to do is we have to actually count how many labels we need. So move back over here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 more. Okay, so I'm going to do one thing, just copy this 7 more times, paste, like this, and that's it. We need these number of labels. Now what we have to do is we have to change the text for these all. So I'm going to change this one to name, this one to father name, this one to mother name, this one to email ID. Okay, change like this. Yeah, next one to permanent address, and next one to unique ID. It can be PAN, Aadhaar card, anything. Just click on this and change this one to designation. Hit enter. After this what we have to do is we have to start adding the text boxes. Okay, so go to toolbox and search for text box. Just drag and drop it over here, the text box. I'm going to use, actually I'm using this Guna 2 text box, so make sure you have added this Guna 2 DLL file into your toolbox, and if not then just go to description, download the Guna 2 DLL file and watch the video how to add DLL file into the toolbox. The video link is also in the description, and just add that. Okay. After this, what we have to do is we have to actually set the size for this one and the font size first. Okay, so first I'm going to change the font color. It means that whatever written inside this one needs to be in the black color. So click on this one and click select black, and after this move back over here. Let me just move back over here and let me just select the font. So font is Sergio UI regular and size is 11, and move back over here. Just click on this, search for font. There we go. Just click on this, Sergio UI and size is 11. Hit OK, and after this, here you can see that this one is looking quite large. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually set the size for this one. So search for size, yeah, 553,30. So copy this and paste it over here. Search for the size. Here we go. Paste it over and hit enter, and here you can see this. Now this one is looking better. Move back this little bit upside like this, and we have to paste this for 1 2 3 4 5 6 times. Not for this designation, we are going to set a combo box for that. So copy paste like this. Make sure you keep equal distance. Like this. We have to adjust this a little bit. There we go. Now this one is looking better. Next thing what we have to do is we have to add one more combo box. Search for combo box. I'm going to use this Guna 2 combo box. Just drag and drop it over here, and the same thing we have to do for this one. First thing, change the font color. Change this one to black, and after this the size is Sergio UI and size will be 11 actually. Click on OK, and one more thing what we have to do is we have to change the size. So I'm going to copy the size from here, 553,30. Just click on this, change the size, paste, hit enter, and just adjust this on the proper position like this, and here we go. Now this one is looking better, and let me move all of these stuff a little bit on the right side like this. Now this one is looking better, and adjust this label a little bit like this. Next thing what we have to do is we have to add few buttons. So I'm going to add the buttons. So I'm going to use this Guna 2 button. Just drag and drop it over here, and after this what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the text first. So change this one to save, and I'm going to change the color, back color for this one. So move back over here on the complete project. So our complete project is this one, and click on this and copy the color code for now, and move back over here. Just click on this and change the fill color. There it is. Search for this fill color, paste it 0,118,225, and after this what we have to do is we have to increase the font size. Oh sorry, you have to increase the font size. Just click on this, Sergio UI, and I guess size is 13. Okay, Sergio UI and size is 13, italic. Just click on this, Sergio UI italic and size is 13, and hit OK. After this what we have to do is we have to set the border radius. Search for that. Here we go. Change this one to 15, or 20, I guess. You can change this one to 20. And what we have to do is we have to set one image, and as I have told you that all the image link is already in the description. So just download and start coding. For save, I'm going to use this one and hit OK, and you can increase the size from here. Change this one to 30,30, or no, it's 20 to 20 is good. And let me just decrease this one a little bit. Yeah, this one is looking better. Or you can just decrease like this too if you want. Okay, I'm going to change the height with the help of the actually changing in the code over here. Change this one to 40 like this, or maybe 38. Okay, now this one is looking better. Next thing what we have to do is we have to actually copy this one more time and paste it once again like this. Okay, and we have to just change the image and text for this one. So first I'm going to change the image. Just click on this, import, and select which one? This one. Open and hit OK. And after this we have to change the text. Change this one to clear. Hit enter. Here you can see this. Now our designing part is ready. Next thing, let me just start this and show you that this one is looking better or not. Sign in. Click on this and here you can see this. Yeah, this one is working fine. Everything is working good. Okay. So next thing what we have to do is we have to create a database, actually a table in which we can actually store the data. So move back over here to your database. Make sure you selected this hostel over here, and after this you have to just manually write these line, create table, new employee, new E is in capital letter. After this we have ID, that is a primary key, and it's written identity 1,1. It means that it will auto incremented 1 each time whenever a new record is inserted. It means that you don't need to insert anything inside this one ID. After this we have column for e-mobile, that is a big int type. Okay, so sorry, big int type, and it's not null. It means that it's required. You have to mention, you have to enter some data. After this we have e name, that is the employee name. It's also a varchar 250 size. ef name, it means that father name, employee father name, varchar 250 size, and not null. E mother name, varchar 250 not null. Email, varchar 250 not null. ep address, employee address, varchar 250 not null. eid proof, varchar 250 not null. E designation, it means that on which post he or she is being hired, not null. And after this working, you don't need to insert anything inside this one. By default this column will be created. Working status, it means that working yes or no. By default when you register new employee, the new employee will be registered only when they start working. It means that default value is set to yes. When they left our company or our hostel, then only this will going to change to no. Okay, so write each word in the same way. If I have written E capital over here, so you have to mention E capital over here, and everything is small. Don't make any changes. If you make changes, then you will stuck in some error. Okay, so I hope you have just written these line of queries for now, and just you have to just select like this and click on execute. Make sure you have selected the proper database over here. Okay, and click on execute, and this will generate a table. So for now, like table like this will be shown over here, and we have only 2 rows for now. Okay, so now I'm moving back to our project on which we are working on this one. First thing what we have to do is we have to actually change the design name for all of these text boxes and buttons as well. So I'm going to do that. So first click on this and go to properties, right click and go to properties and search for design. Here we go, design name. Change this one to txt name. Change this one to, okay, sorry, not txt name, this one is txt mobile actually. Change this one to txt name. The third one to txt father. Fourth one to txt mother. This one to txt email. ID. This one to txt permanent. This one to txt unique id, this one to txt designation, and change this one to btn safe and btn clear, and this one to btn clear. One more thing, what we have to do is we have to add the items inside this one. So I'm going to hard code that. So move back over here, just click on this, click on this one, click on items. For now we have only these 4 in my project. You can add more if you feel like. Okay, so move back over here, just right click and go to properties, not properties, just click on this and select items over here. I need to mention the 4 stuff, that is hostel in charge, cleaning staff, mess staff, account manager. You can add other 2 if you need. Okay, so click on OK. Now the items is added. When this form loads, you can actually select from all these 4 stuff. Okay, after this what we have to do is we have to actually code for nothing but the save button. Okay, so first thing what we have to do is we have to actually save the data. So just double click on this and move back over, btn save click event. So first thing what I want is I want that whenever this text box is, any of these text boxes is empty, then I want to show user that fill all data. So how to do that? For that, first I'm going to check that all text boxes filled or not. So if txt name dot text is equal to, sorry, not equal to null. This is the first thing I have checked. It means that if txt name dot text is not equal to null, then only we want to do something. In the else condition, I want to show the message. Let me just show you. Message box dot show, and here we have to write fill all required data, like this. And I'm going to name this one information. After this, this is message box. We need some buttons, so I need only one button, that is OK for now. After this we need few icons for this message box icon. I need information, like this, and we have to just put one semicolon over here, like this one. I hope you have written this. Okay, so let me just remove this for now, and let's check if this works or not for the txt name. So it's check or not. Started this. Sign in, new employee, and here you can see this, the name is empty. When I click on this, fill all required fields. Okay, so when I write something inside this one, when I click on this, nothing happens. It means that this one is working fine. In the if condition, inside the if condition, I have written nothing, no code over there. Okay, so txt name. Before txt name, we have to check for one more thing, that is the mobile number. So you can actually check that later, or you can just write this one like this, mobile dot text is not equal to null, like this one. So we have checked for 2 stuff, and after this we have to check for the remaining. So txt mobile, we have father dot text is not equal to null, and okay, so let me just make this one view full screen. Here we go. Make this one full screen so that I can write or code properly. Okay, so after father name we have txt mother, right? Mother dot text is not equal to null, and after txt mother we have email, txt email dot text not equal to null. Let me scroll a little bit. After this and txt email id, and after this we have address, permanent address, I guess, yeah, dot text is not equal to null, and after permanent address we have unique id txt unique id dot text is not equal to null, and finally we have txt designation. Okay, we don't need to check the designation, that's a combo box, so it will be selected, and you can check like this, and txt designation dot selected index is not equal to -1. Okay, so I haven't did this before for the combo box, but I'm going to do this for now. Okay, so let me check if this works or not. So I've checked for all of this stuff, so let me just exit and start this, and let's see if the selected combo box works or not. Okay, sign in, new employee. I'm going to write something inside all of these. Click on this. Okay, fill all required field. It means that this one is working. When I select this one, any of this, yeah, this one is working fine. Okay, so let me close this, and here you have observed that we have the stuff inside this one, designation, the combo box. We have the stuff inside this one. Okay, so this one is working fine. Now we have checked for all of the empty spaces and we have selected the combo box or not. Now what we have to do is we have to first extract the values from all the required text fields, and then we have to save that into the database. Okay, so first thing we have to extract the value. So first thing is mobile. So that's of the big int in the database, as I have shown you. It's a big int type, so we have to convert that into integer type, and all of the remaining stuff is varchar, so that needs to be in the string format, not an issue. So int64 mobile is equal to int64 dot parse. Parse method is used to convert the string type to integer type. Okay, so here we have to mention txt mobile dot text like this, and this will be converted into a integer type. Okay, let me see this. No error is over here. After the int64 mobile, we need name. So name is equal to txt name dot text. After name, we need father name is equal to txt father dot text. After this, we need father name, we need m name is equal to txt mother dot text like this. After mother name, we need email, right? Email is equal to txt email dot text. After email, we need address is equal to txt permanent dot text. After address, we need, okay, so I have made a mistake over here, string, yeah, that's right. After address, we need id, so it's equal to txt unique id dot text. After id, I need a designation, so designation is equal to txt designation dot text. So let me explain this, why I have written like this. Txt name is a text box name, and from that text box what I need to extract is nothing but text. So from that text box we extracted text, and that is being assigned is equal to assigned to this variable name, and this is a local variable of type string. In the same way, this all stuff is working. Okay, so now we have all the data inside these levels. After this, what we have to do is we have to insert that data into database. Before writing further code, what we have to do is we have to create an object for the function class. In previous videos, I've already shown you I've created a function class, and that we have few methods, and I'm going to use those. Function fn is equal to new function. If you are worried about this function class, then not to worry, just start watching from the first video and you will get everything, I assure you that. And if you want to purchase the source code, you can purchase the source code. Just contact me on Instagram. and my Instagram username is also btakedays. Okay, so string query. Now we have to, I've actually written the one more variable. I've taken one more variable, that is query, to write the query inside this variable. This is of a string type, and one object. I've created one object for the function class. Now move back over here, and now what we have to do is, first thing we have to write the query. So query is equal to, and we have to start writing the query. So we have to insert the data. So insert into the table name. So my table name is new employee, EMPLOYEE, and we have to mention the column's name over here. So name, first thing is mobile name. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 column name. So move back over here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, not this one. This one we need to insert anything. Okay, so this one, right? Till, I guess we need till over here. Let me copy this, paste it over here. E-mobile, just match this one. E-mobile, E-name, E-F name, E-M name, E-email, E-PA address, E-ID proof, E-designation. So we need to copy this, just write like this and copy this and move back to the project and paste inside this one. There we go. So now we have pasted the stuff over here. After this, what we have to do is we have to just write values like this. Values, and we have to start mentioning the values inside this one. So let me make this one full screen like this. I hope you have written this part. Insert into the table name new employee, E is capital, and you have just copied and pasted over here, and in the values we have to mention the values. So first thing, nothing but in the same order we have to mention. The first column is nothing but the mobile, and that's of integer type, so big int type, with double quotes, double plus sign, and within this plus sign, okay, within this plus sign we have to mention the variable. So we have to store the mobile number as mobile variable. Let me just show you. Mobile variable name, F name, so we have to just do that. After this, just put a comma, and the second thing is name, and that's of a string type, that is varchar type. So just single quotes, double quotes, plus plus, double quotes and single quotes, and inside this one we have to mention name. After this we have, again we have father name, so single quotes, double quotes, plus plus, double and single, F name. After father name we have mother name, so single, double quotes, plus plus, double quotes and single quotes, like this. So now you can see this clearly. Here we have to mention M name, that is the mother name. Again put comma, single quotes, double quotes, plus plus, double quotes, single quotes, and inside this one, after mother name we have email. After email we have address, single quotes, double, plus plus, double quotes, single quotes, address. After address we have ID. After ID we have designation, single quotes, double quotes, plus plus, double quotes, single quotes, designation. Here we go. Now let me just delete this space over here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, mobile name, father name. Let me match this. Mobile name, father name, mother name, email address, ID and designation. Email address, ID and designation. Now our query is ready. Next thing what we have to do is we have to just fire this query into the database. So how to do that? For that, just enter fm dot set data, and you have to pass the query. It accepts two string type variables. The first thing is query, and the second thing a text, whatever you feel like. I'm going to pass this one, employee registered successful, like this. After this, what we have to do is we have to just check the stuff first. So just start this and let's check if this works or not. For now, I have shown you we have only 2 records, and I'm going to insert the third one. So I have started the project, sign in, new employee. I'm going to register with 555, 3 times 5, and name is, I'm going to name it, okay, let me check what name I have added to the database. Okay, so I'm going to add J now. J. Father name is something ABC, mother name is ABC, email address j@gmail.com, permanent address India, unique ID D50-C88 something, whatever you like, and it's a mess stuff, and just save it. When I click on this, employee registration successful, click on OK, move back to database, and now I'm going to select a star from new employee and just execute this, and let's check. Here you can see this 55jabcabcj@email.com. Here you can see this message staff working. Yes. Here you can see this by default. This one is yes. We haven't inserted this one. Okay. So everything is working fine. And next thing what we have to do is we have to code for this clear button. So let me close this. Move back to our project, and here the registration, the save button is working fine. After this, we have to just code for this one. Just double click on this, and next thing what we have to do is we have to just create a method. I'm going to write a method that is nothing but, I'm going to write this one private because I'm going to use this one inside this module as itself. Okay, so public void, and I'm going to name this one clear all, to clear all the text fields. So txt name dot clear, txt mobile dot clear, txt father dot clear, txt mother dot clear. After the mother and father and mother, we have email address, txt email address dot clear. After the email address, we have txt permanent dot clear. After the permanent, we have txt id, unique ID dot clear. Now we have all this stuff over here, 3, 3, 6 and 7, and one more thing, we have to just change the selected index for nothing but the designation. So txt designation, that's a combo box, so dot selected index, we have to set this one to -1. And now the method is ready. Next thing what we have to do is we have to just call this method inside this button. When we click that button, we have to just call that method clear all. And one more thing, what I want is whenever the data is saved, it means that whenever the employee is registered, I want to clear all the text fields. So for that, we have to just call this method over here too, clear all. Now save this. What happened is when this all stuff code is run, it means that if an employee registration successful is message, the pop-up is shown, and when I click on OK, after that all the text field will be clear. Just start this and let's see if that clear button is working fine or not. Sign in, click on this. I'm going to fill the data. Selected this and click on clear, and here you can see this one is clear. Okay, so everything is working fine. So that's it for this video, guys. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to design this one and backend code for this. That is nothing but update and delete employee. Here you can see this. When I click on this, for now nothing happens. So If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe and share with your friends. And thanks for watching. And just stay tuned and follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching.